How to log in AOL mail account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser in your PC. Here I have opened up Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar you have to click and search for mail.aol.com. Soon after entering, you'll be taken to the official web page of AOL, where you'll be able to see a text box in the right hand side. So here you have to enter your username, email or mobile number in order to sign in. If you are new to AOL and want to create an account, then you can go for create an account option over here. And if you forget your username, then you can also go for forget username option, and you'll be helped to remember and recover your account. If you want to stay signed in, then you can click on this box, by which from the next time whenever you log in, then you don't need to enter your username, email or mobile number. And after entering all the information, you'll be logged into your account. So by following this simple step, you can log in AOL mail account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.